Hello, welcome for the new video today, and I'm learning a new thing today. It is a for loop, and I will create some script, and we will practice some code with me and with English as well. And before we start, we should try to find something new here. That the first one, we have a game object here, and we add components, a new script here, and we put it down about the name of script. I call it text script for loop. Okay? So I click one and it's open, and we code something inside. Let me open it. Okay. And as usual, we have the format like this with the voice start for update. We don't need for this code today. When we start, we click, we hit the play the button to show you how it active with the code inside. Before we jump into this, we should click the game object here. And okay. Yeah, it's all done. And so now and it will show you the format when you hit, and I show you again. We only hit 4 here, and then click the for loop here, and it show you the format. And from e equals 0, it started from the 0 number, and it come to the length. Here you can mention about the mass, maybe mass, the enemy, something like that, and equal 7, and I have that. Let's show that, and we should have the type of variable. Yeah, we set up here, and so inside we can call the sport1 here, and we need to create new sport here, something inside, and like in or something like that. Okay, in E. So the next one we will show that the debug. Show you that something is putting something inside. Show the enemy, and we plus with the number inside here. E. Anything you can set the number here or the variable, something like that. Just show that, and we finish. That's one. We should put the inside. What inside here? E. Okay. So if we finish for the for loop here, when it come this structure, and it become the 0 number, and it's reached to the number 7 here, and for number 6, and E++, and it means that you can the loop 1 is plus, add more the value for the number E, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, something like that.
7 and 19.
Yeah, just close this or not, it depends on you. So when you come back to the Unity scenes, and I can show you on the console when you hit this play button. Okay, it show you. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, well done for the short video today. You learned that it is so easy. 1. Okay, 1. 0,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, great. And Okay, you can apply this method. Follow for those many things. Let's start on the beginning the number and require the condition. Depend on you. If we apply how to build the game, depend on you. So thank you for this video today and see you for the next one. Goodbye.
Bye.